Egg Recipe Chinese. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Easy Chinese Egg Drop Soup. Total 20 minutes. Prep 5 minutes. Cook for 15 minutes. Yield 3 to 4 cups or 3 to 4 servings. Ingredients: 4 cups of chicken broth or stock, 2 large eggs lightly beaten, 1 to 2 spring onions finely chopped, 1/4 a teaspoon of white pepper, salt to taste, optional, a few drops of sesame oil. Directions: Egg drop soup ingredients. In a wok or saucepan, bring the 4 cups of chicken broth or stock to a boil. Very slowly, pour in the lightly beaten eggs in a steady stream. To make shreds, stir the egg rapidly in a clockwise direction for 1 minute. To make thin streams or ribbons, gently stir the eggs in a clockwise direction until they form. Season the soup with white pepper, salt, and sesame oil. Pour into the bowls and garnish with spring onion. Serve and enjoy. Notes: how to thicken the soup. In a small bowl or measuring cup, mix together 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour, cornstarch, or potato starch with a 1/2 cup of water until smooth. Slowly stir the paste into the chicken stock before adding the eggs. Proceed with the rest of the directions. Korean steamed egg. Total 12 minutes. Prep 2 minutes. Cook 10 minutes. Yield 4 eggs or 4 servings. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 3/4 a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 scallion chopped. Directions: gather the ingredients. In a heat-safe bowl, porcelain or stoneware works best. Whisk the eggs, water, salt, and scallions together until fully combined. If using a microwave, cover the bowl with a plate and cook for 4 minutes. If steaming on a stove, steam the bowl in a steamer for 10 minutes over medium-high heat. You can also just put the bowl in a large pot with a few inches of water at the bottom and steam for 15 minutes over low-medium heat. Serve and enjoy. Recipe variations. This Korean steamed egg recipe includes only scallions as the seasoning for the eggs. However, you can experiment with chili pepper flakes, sesame seed, and vegetables such as mushrooms, sweet bell peppers, zucchini, and sweet corn while sticking reasonably closely with Korean tradition. You can also consider substituting broth, beef broth, chicken broth, seafood broth, or vegetable broth for the water in this recipe, which will give the eggs a different, robust flavor. Number 3. Scrambled eggs with shrimp. Total time 10 minutes. Prep 5 minutes. Cook 5 minutes. Yield 2 servings. Ingredients: 4 ounces of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Note: cut the shrimp if they are too large. 4 large eggs, lightly beaten. 1/4 a cup of chicken broth or stock. Up to 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Pepper to taste. 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese rice wine or dry sherry wine. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. 1 green onion, thinly sliced on the diagonal. 2 tablespoons of oil for frying. Directions: gather the ingredients. Wash the shrimp and pat dry. Take the beaten eggs and stir in the chicken broth, salt, pepper, rice wine, oyster sauce, and green onion. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a preheated wok or skillet. When the oil is hot, add the shrimp. Stir fry briefly until they turn pink. Remove and drain. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and turn the heat on high. When the oil is hot, add the egg mixture. Scramble gently for about 1 minute and then add the shrimp. Continue scrambling until the eggs are almost cooked but still moist. Remove from the heat and let sit for a minute before serving. Number 4. Weekend slop. Rice with spicy bamboo shoots, eggs, and avocado. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 5 minutes. Total time 10 minutes. Ingredients: 1½ cups of cooked rice, 1 fried egg to your liking, half an avocado, a wad or preserved chili bamboo shoots. You heard me. A dollop of chili oil or chow oil to taste, A drizzle of soy sauce. A pinch of ground white pepper, optional. Directions. Make the rice. Put it in a bowl. One that is easily held while sitting in front of the TV or huddled over your computer. Fry the egg to your liking. Scrambled or hard-boiled will do just fine too. Until the egg is cooking, grab the avocado. Half it, seed it, and cut it up, or just scoop it out over the rice. Add your preferred concentration of chili bamboo shoots. Fetch your preferred spicy chili oil or chiu chow oil from the fridge. Add in a scoop of that to taste. Drizzle the soy sauce over the whole thing. Add a pinch of white pepper, mix, and enjoy.